Stephen Snyder. I'm one of the co-founders of Anchor, and we make applications for real estate agents. So let's talk about real estate agents for a second. Let's talk about our friend Realtor Bob. Now, Bob here, he might work for a big brokerage like Coldwell Banker, but he really runs like a small business. You see, Bob's got to take care of his own email marketing, physical mail, client database, client follow-up, financials, website. Bob's got a lot of stuff to do, and he's got to do it all by himself. My mom was a real estate agent. She suffered from the same problem that Bob has. You see, being a real estate agent is actually pretty hard, but we're here to make it a little easier. Anchor is going to help agents simplify and automate their day-to-day business activities and bring together the data across all their different applications so we can offer them really great business insights and customer intelligence. And by solving Bob's problem, we can actually solve another problem for brokers. You see, because brokers are really made up of a bunch of small businesses, they have a lot of disjointed data themselves. So if we bring that data together for Bob, we can bring it together for the broker, and now they can have business insights in a way they've never really had access to before. So we went out and we built an MVP of a really great CRM system for real estate agents, and we got it in the hands of some agents, and we tested with them, and we realized a lot of agents just don't want to use a CRM system at all. It doesn't really fit in with their workflow. And some of the agents that were using a CRM system, they didn't really want to switch. They didn't want to take the time to do that. And we were actually talking with an agent. She loved our system that we had built. She said it was way better than what she was using. But she didn't want to switch because of the marketing part of her current application. So that's when we realized, what agents really want is really great automated marketing tools. They're always looking for new ways to get in front of their client database. So we did something that's kind of novel in the startup world, and we actually listened to our customers, and we decided to make a pivot to our new application called PostCaptain. What PostCaptain does is it aggregates trending news articles in the real estate industry, and it automatically posts them to an agent's Facebook business page and their LinkedIn account. It makes social media a little easier for them and saves them a lot of time. We started this about 3 weeks ago. We now have paying customers all over the state. We're working with agents in about 12 different brokerage offices. Our customers range from Joy Budka, who's a new up-and-coming commercial real estate agent, to Ryan Gowdy. He's in the top 5% of agents in the Bay Area. Last year, he was named as Gentry Magazine's top 10 agents under the age of 40. We also have Nicole. She's an escrow officer down in San Diego, and she's using our application for her escrow office's Facebook business page. Now, we've done this in just about 3 weeks. Imagine what we're going to be able to do in the next year. Of course, there are some applications out there currently for real estate agents, but a lot of these apps are really old and outdated, and the number one complaint we're hearing is that they're just too difficult to use. Agents can't get in them really easily and figure out how to do things, so that they're missing out on a lot of features. The number one thing that we hear about our application is it's super simple. It takes them just a few minutes to get in there, set it up, and then we take care of everything after that. This is definitely a growing market right now. Agents are projected to spend $1.5 billion on tech by 2015, so they're realizing more and more they need to be getting online. We've been seeing some pretty good traction with what we're doing right now, selling to individual agents, so we're going to continue to do that, but we're also going to start making relationships with brokerages. We have a 3-tier pricing model. So we have a basic monthly subscription for the agent. There's a premium subscription where they can integrate with MLS data and home sales transactions data. And there's a subscription for the broker where they can get those business insights for themselves as well. This is Team Anchor. This is myself, Stephen Snyder. I'm the developer. We also have Dan Saltzman. He's going to be doing operations and business development. And Joel Gowan is going to be doing business development out there, working with the agents, building relationships with brokerages. Now, of course, we need to do a few things over the next year to become a really great, successful company. We're going to be crunching a lot of data, and we want to offer really great business insights and customer intelligence to our users, so we're going to need to get a developer who's really experienced with that. We're also going to need to get access to MLS data and home sales transactions data as well. Thank you, and I look forward to talking to you guys after.